This is the place that I'm coming to collect my car, and then now we're going to do the process to collect the car. I've done the document, signed everything, and then now we're going to collect the car. I booked a small car because it's convenient for me and easier for me to drive around. And this is the car that for tonight, for the trip. So let me see. Oh, thank you. It's a very beautiful white color car and it looks very new. Our very first stop in Yilan, which is visit one of the famous pineapple shop to try the pineapple tart. Let's go to see what we can buy over here. Over here they sell lots of interesting stuff, and this is the, we call it Chinese cheese, and then it's salty and like fermented. And right over here that mainly you have to buy, which is a pineapple tart. This is the fermented cheese, and then it's actually very interesting, the taste. It's really like a very nice cheese. It's very unique. You can eat it with bread or rice or congee or porridge. It's very nice. We are going to visit the Kavalan whiskey factory. The first stop we're going is the Spirit Castle. Then let's go over this side. And then we'll go to the second one. The whiskey tasting is at 3:30. I'm 30 minutes early. But the first thing I need to do, I'm going to try the whiskey ice cream. It looks very interesting right over here. There's lots of different flavor. But of course I already confirmed that what I'm going to try would be that one. The whiskey ice cream. It's super good. I think it's about 5 minutes for the whiskey tasting and it's free of charge. From 9:30 to 5:30, every 30 minutes there will be one session for the whiskey tasting sessions. The whiskey tasting area will be right over there, and then there's a limited seat. So at the entrance, then staff will give you the whiskey. The whiskey that today we are trying is this one, which is just right at the poster at the back. It smells very nice, like a lot. It's very fruity. Very nice, very easy, and very smooth to drink. I quite like this. So I'm not sure how much is that one, but if within my budget, I don't mind to buy that one. No one tell us how to register for the tour, and it looks like can go by free and easy. And oh, this is the mod. It's interesting. Oh, this is how it looks like. So these are the ingredients to make the whiskey. I'm glad they open up this space for tourists to visit how they make the whiskey. I have decided to buy the number 2, which is this one. It have the hints of the honey, berries, and cotton candy. It's a very sweet and mild fragrant for me. I quite like it, so I'm gonna get this. And buying the whiskey right over here is there is a 22% discount over here, so it's 968 new Taiwan dollars right now. I am very excited and very happy because I bought the 2 whiskey and then like it was super affordable. At first I calculate the price is a little bit pricey, but after I check again, whoa, it was like I can bring it back and shower. Anyway, you buy a bottle of the whiskey, 700 ml, and then you can get a small bottle. So which means that you buy one big one and you get a small one. This is how Taiwanese, the government, to let the residents throw the garbage. And yep, the music is on, and then everyone will come out and chase behind the truck and to throw their rubbish. And we miss out the scenes that everyone like rushing out. That's so fun to watch. So everyone learn a skill to throw things from the motorbike. We are at this place called Chong Bao Bao, the farm experience place. This is a place that you can actually make the pancake, the specialist Taiwanese pancake. And it's a farm, as you can see, that's just surrounding me, that you can go to check out the spring onions farm. And this is the passion fruits. And then right over here, okay, hang on. And right over here, sadly, that I did not know that you need to make an appointment to experience to pick up the spring onion to make the spring onion pancake. So never mind, but it's still allowed the customer to go to the farm without tour and without guide, and they offer the hat and the boots for you to go into the farm. I have never seen something like this before. I'm not sure what is this, but yes, you can see that this is a spring onion. It's considered very big because usually in Singapore, Malaysia or Thailand, it should be around this length, but it's like double of the size. And from what I see from the internet, here's the place that you rinse and wash the spring onions. Oh, they have the very cute rabbits right over here. And they feed them the passion fruit leaf. I'm not sure whether they eat a lot of spring onion. This is a freshly made spring onion pancake. It looks like this. Smells very, very nice. And I'm going to give it a try. It tastes much more better than compared to previously that I went to the night market to try. It tastes completely different. It smells really, it have a very nice fragrance of the spring onion. And it's crunchy at the outside, but it's slightly soft in the inside. Let me enjoy the pancake first, and then I'm going to order the spring onion ice cream. Then we'll go to the farm. I'm going to try the spring onion ice cream. It looks and sounds interesting to me. Let's try the spring onion ice cream. That's interesting because I can see the ingredients. They put the coconut oil. It tastes a little bit like coconut ice cream to me. Oh, the back end of the spring onion taste is up. Yeah, interesting. The spring onion here, they looks very healthy and very big. No wonder that they are very famous with the spring onion right over here. In Taiwan, other than the hot spring, there's actually also a cold spring. One person is 150 Taiwan dollars, and then two person will be 200. And then, oh, that is for the personal cold spring house. It's a nude bath area, so everyone going naked. And then this one you get your personal house. This is the room for the personal cold spring house. This here. And it looks like this. It's really personal thing. Personal, I mean, it's full of privacy. It's very interesting. So for the price that I pay is only for 14 minutes. It's quite cold at the beginning. And this is a soda pool cold spring. And then first few minutes you go in and your body actually turn warm. And then you can see right over here there are lots of bubble, so you can see that it's really the natural soda cold spring. Get a private room over here if you are feeling shy to see any other string object. String that when you get cold you string in. And then it's very comfortable. I have to say that it come to try, so not soak more than an hour as the warning sign. And then it doesn't really have a lot of bad smell, and it's a little bit cold now, but I will still try to soak a little bit more. Then I'll go to the massage, and then I will go to the naked bath area. Second thing I need to do will be go for the massage. Actually, they have the blind massage if I'm not wrong, and then every 10 minutes is 100 new Taiwan dollar. So I'm going to massage first. It's a very interesting massage. It's basically focused on the upper body. 10 minutes for 100 new Taiwan dollar, and then after that the person will use a hair dryer to heat up the muscle and then to apply some cream to do the massage. This is a new cold spring bath. So let me see. I'm not sure whether they are closed for renovation. So by right, for a guest, which is not from the residents here, will be $70 per person. I'm going to give it a try for maybe for 10 minutes, then we'll go back for have lunch. If you go inside here, so it's saying that traditional cold spring and male and female separately, and come to this place respect the traditions and will have to soak in nakedly. So here will be the place for you to shower before you go in, and then come to this side for the spring water. And you can see that there's a lot of bubbles that coming out. That area is actually a naked area for the public baths. Females over there, males over there. And then you can see there's a very cute painting right on the floor. We'll be showing this over here. This is a public area that you can go in. This is a mixed area that male and female will go in with the swimsuit. It's lunchtime now. First thing I ordered is the soup. It's a clam soup that which is very healthy. Order is self-service to order. You have to go to the back. The menu is on the wall, and then you just choose whatever you like and make the order, make the payment, and come here and wait. So it's time for me to try the soup right now. Oh, I will call this soup is the rock the big soup. It will really give lots of energy for everyone. It smells so good. So they stuff the pandan leaf inside the chicken and then they grill it, and it comes with a very special unique fragrance. And then this is a soup, the essence that drip from the chicken, and this is the salt and pepper dips and onion. They offer the two different types of glove, the transparent glove and one to keep the heat. So what you need to do is that you have to wear this first, then you wear the transparent plastic glove, and then you have to grab the chicken meat to enjoy the chicken. Let me try the skin part. So for this part, sorry. Yeah, look at this, very juicy, right? So usually Sean will remove the skin, he will just throw away, such a waste. It's full of the flavor right over here. Wow, it is so well marinated. It's not too salty, and it's not too oily to me personally. And then they also offer the pepper and salt. Let me dip it and try it. Just a little bit because it can be very salty. Ooh. Wow, it's very peppery. We are at the Sanqi Bolang Datao, which is Sanji Bai Wei. And previously there's a lot of special art and then the painting on the party's field, and it looks very beautiful. And we had a very big lunch, so we are coming here for a walk to digest a little bit before for the next meal. There are some of the plantation that still have a lot of greenery, but I'm not sure whether that is paddy field or just grass. And it's really a peaceful place to enjoy the walk. And actually, if you look at the not that side, if you look right over there, when you come in the right season, it's full of that color, and it just looks like a very soft carpet. Now we are at the night market. It's called Dongmen Night Market, and this is a place that you can get some food. I have not had my dinner yet, so let me look for something to eat. I think the next one I'm going to try will be this one, called Da Mian Zhang. We have two types of the noodles, and then the noodles are very tender, and it absorbs the gravy very well. I quite enjoy having my noodle here. We are coming here to the Yilan largest night market. It's called Lotong Night Market. Our main target for tonight will be dinner, but we will try some of the nicer snacks right over here if we found any. We have decided to try the fried noodle here. Taichung meatball, which is this one, and then this is a fried noodle, and it's like drizzled with pork took me to queue about 14 minutes. Let me try whether it's good or not. I'm going to return my car right now, and then driving in Yilan is very comfortable. Everyone drive very slow, and the road is a little bit narrow, but it's fine. Just get the smaller car. If you're confident with the bigger size of the car, then it's fine. But for me, I think it's totally fine. People driving slow, and then the speed limit is almost like 60 and 50 kilometer per hour in the limits, and then with the GPS you can go around everywhere. So let me return the car now, and any question you can ask me in my comment. And then the gentleman is already come to inspecting the car, and yep, time to return. Bye bye now.